Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you and reviewing a product called Infinite Core. And in the Infinite Core review, I'll be showing you what's very good about this product and what's not very good about this product, that you may make an informed decision if this product is for you or not for you. With that said, let's get started. Yes, here I have prepared for you bonuses. So if you buy this product through my link, you're able to get a number of products and a number of bonuses if you get this product through my link. One of the first products you're going to get, I will be showing you below this video, and I'll be showing you what you're going to buy this product as a front end and back end, and how much are you going to get for OTO1 to last OTO. So with that said, I just want to show you the bonuses that are prepared for you, and you may be able to make an informed decision based on these values that you're going to get from this product. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you and reviewing a product called Infinite Core. Feel the gap, and in the Infinite Core review, I'll be showing you what's very good about this bonus you're going to get and what's not very good about this product, that you may make an informed decision. And if you're going to get also this product. With that said, let's get through the Infinite Core. Yes, a hack on how to make money effectively by copywriting, and you're going to also get the license to Gemini. Lastly, you're going to have bonus bundle, and that's a special bonus for people who take action. How do you get your bonuses? You will check down here and you access the product that you have got from me. So with that said, I just want straight away to show you how you're going to be able to benefit from this product. Don't forget that this product has OTO1 that's going to be at $17, and we're going to have OTO2 that is going to also to cost us just, yes, as I had earlier told you, that in this instant bundle we are going to have bonus number 1. The OTO1 is going to cost us $17, and OTO2 is going to cost us $23. And as you can see here, the prices have been properly stipulated. So with that said, let's go ahead and I show you how this product looks inside. So as you can see, you have to get definite webinars, Infinite webinars, Infinite Builder, and Infinite Mail. So you simply go ahead and set each one of them in any way you want, and then you go ahead and access the app and get started. So it's a very easy product. It's very easy for newbies, and each one of us can be able to make the best out of this product as long as you have decided to get it. So furthermore, looking at this Infinite product, let's see inside. This is how it looks. This is how we set up our campaigns. You simply click in there, click on that icon, then it will take you to the next level, and you will see this page. Go ahead and set it up, and once you are finished setting it up, you say push of a button, you get started getting the benefits, reaping the benefits of this product. Yes, with that said, that's how the product looks like. I want to remind you that this is our insane bundle, Dora's insane bundle. You'll be able to access this as your bonus, and at a cost of $427.95. Then you'll be able to get the second bonus, which is going to cost us, as you can see. So this is what you're going to get when you buy this product. So with that said, let's go ahead and see the sales video. So with that said, I just want to wish you the best. If you want this product, just below my video there is a link. Click on that link and access yourself and get all these bonuses that I've stipulated for you here in this product. It's such a wonderful product, but also my bundles are going to complement it and make it a better product for you to own. With that said, I just want to thank you for sticking with me to the end, and I would wish you the best. reminding you that don't forget to pick a copy of this video or of this product in the description. In the description of this video there is a link. Click yourself a copy and get yourself a copy. With that said, thank you for sticking with me to the end. I wish you the best. See you in the inside.